Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we are covering Shiba Inu news, Shiba Inu price prediction, and of course on the end we are looking at the chart and giving that price prediction on what has happened in the last 3 or 2 days, we can say even a month or so, and what will happen in the next day or two. So if you're interested in that, please stay till the end of the video. Of course, if you're interested, you can leave a subscribe, leave a like and a comment on the video. My next goal is 25k and I think we can achieve that easily. So please drop a like, drop a subscribe and leave a comment. For the beginning, as always, we're looking at CoinMarketCap and we can see that in the last 24 hours, CoinMarketCap is up about 1.5% in the last 24 hours. On the big gainers that are Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can see Ethereum is still trading in green and Bitcoin is trading for these 24 hours, but in the 7 days period of time, the Bitcoin is down by 2.5%, which is the biggest currency and has the biggest market cap of them all. So he's probably pulling this percentage to be lower than it really is because Bitcoin is trading down. We can see that Ethereum in the 7 days range is about 4% up, and this uptrend that lasts for these last 7 days is coming to some consolidation and reversal, but that's of course expected because this over here is the all-time high for Ethereum. Maybe it spiked a little more than this. Maybe over here I didn't manage to see what was happening in this day or two, but of course this price over here is on the highs for Ethereum, so it's expected for price to have some consolidation and little dump before the next all-time high. The Bitcoin is following everything, but we can see it has major and bigger than Ethereum ups and downs. That's everything we're gonna say for these two guys over here, but we are interested in Shiba, so we're gonna look and see what is happening over here. So Shiba Inu is doing great. We can see it's currently sitting at 0.7, 0. Of course 407, so I'm going to say $0.7, and for these 24 hours is up by almost 12.5%. This is the 1 day chart. We can see that from the beginning of the day to now, Shiba Inu has this 13% jump from here to here, and it has even bigger spikes. It hits 1 and 2 times this price over here, which is 0.07485, and now it's sitting at 0.71, so that was 0.74, which is great and expected to happen again. We can see that the volume is stable for Shiba Inu, and on the chart later we are gonna look on the other side of volume and everything what's happening right there. So just a little news that we are gonna cover for Shiba Inu is over here. It says, should you invest in Shiba Inu coin right now? Key points over here is the price of Shiba Inu has soared nearly 1000% in the past month. Well, it may be tempting to invest in. It's important to think about the risk. Of course, for every small coin like this, it's important to think about the risk. Where the several factors to consider before to invest anywhere. That's for investing in anything. Even if you want to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, you need to consider a lot of things about that investment and then invest afterwards. Shiba Inu and small coins like Shiba Inu and shit and altcoins, you need to invest a little bit more because they are unstable and unpredictable. But you can see this 1000% jump in the last month, which is impossible to happen for Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is a plenty of cryptocurrency making waves for the investment world, to including never tokens such as Shiba Inu. Okay, the price is up more than 166% even in the past 7 days, and we can see that the Bitcoin Ethereum has spike of 4% and like 2%, so this is 166% over the 7 days according to cryptocurrency data aggregator CoinGecko. Over the last 30 days, it is up by 950%, which is great. That's 1000% jump. And if you invested, you know all the story. If you invested $1,000, we would have $9,500 right now. But that's what's happening with these little coins over here. Shiba Inu is also one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies. Currently priced at a minuscule, this is the price over here per coin. Between the low price and its surging popularity, is it a time to invest in Shiba Inu? We know, and we will see later in these articles over here, that the Shiba Inu has great community and they are supporting everything that Shiba Inu does. Is Shiba Inu a good investment? We're not going to list and read everything over here, but we can see the Robinhood market gain popularity because investors are preparing online broker Robinhood to make the token available to trade. So this is the great news, and we have one more listing, so please stay. This is the article over here and we will watch that later. This is some explanations where to invest instead, but I think that if you are really interested in these jumps over here of 950% in 30 days, 160% in the past 7 days and everything like that, I think that these coins over here, of course, I'm not the financial advisor and everything that I said is just my personal opinion, but not the advice that you should do. So please consider everything before you invest in anything. So let's say over here, this is some great article, of course, and it says, are you really going to use Shiba Inu coin at AMC? We're just going to explain what is AMC, and it is some entertainment holdings multiplex. It's tabled in Swedish, and it's a Swedish fish at the local AMC entertainment holdings multiplex. So we can say this is some multiplex in Sweden, and they're thinking and I think negotiating to use the Shiba Inu for payments over here. Shiba Inu owners aren't likely to pay for miners purchase with tokens that they expect to grow significantly in value. They know it, Aaron knows it. So this is some story for the beginning of that, and I'm not sure will they do that or not, and will somebody use Shiba to pay something like that, because we all know the story of I think 2000 bitcoins pizza or two pizzas for 1,800 coins and something like that. So maybe that would happen over here. So I don't know if anyone would use Shiba to pay something, but okay. This is just the Shiba Inu Reddit, and we can see this is the Kraken exchange. If you're not familiar with Kraken exchange, it's just the exchange. It's very popular. Like the Binance is popular, the Kraken is like the second exchange, and all the great traders are using Kraken exchange or Binance, of course, whatever they prefer. And it says something like this. So we are gonna look on that on the official Twitter of Kraken exchange, but that's just a little hint in what we are looking in the next article. This is just Shiba Inu Twitter, official Twitter, and we can see that something is happening over here. This is the Shiba Inu explaining that this guy over here has confirmed and verified the Tesla code. Here are some of the comments of the acknowledgement. And this guy said, I verified the Tesla site. There could be a few possibilities. So this is the possibilities, but it's verified on Tesla site, and something is happening with this. I need to read this, but Tesla and everything with that is connecting to Elon Musk, of course, and everything. I think it has the potential. So over here, there are some explanations of what is happening, some Tesla code and everything for Shiba Inu, and we can see the SHIB is a code name for some dog currency. SHIB is coming, so if everything goes as planned, as they are planning, I think this Tesla code and everything that's happening will boost, and Shiba Inu will lose those 3-4 zeros in like a week or two. So this is the Kraken exchange that I was talking about earlier. We're just gonna find the thing I was talking to. So these two posts over here 8 hours and 9 hours ago are really important. This is just the picture, and says everyone asks when Shiba, but nobody asks how Shiba. So this is the picture of said Shiba puppy, but this post over here has a great potential. It says Brian Hoffman said if we got 2000 likes we will list Shiba tomorrow, but he doesn't think we can do it. So I don't know, if you challenge Shiba Army to do something that will improve Shiba and list their Shiba somewhere else, you get the results of like here, like 42k likes and retweets and comments. So if this is true, but this is the official site, it's verified and everything, official Twitter profile, I think the Shiba Inu will get another listing, and with Robinhood and everything. I don't know, guys, what you think. Every listing has it's happening. I think this was the one listing, this was the second, and like this is just maybe the beginning of the third listing and everything. So just watch for a second this chart and we will finish the video. As I always say, we need to have the support line and the trend line. This is just those two lines that I drew, and this is the first support line that it bounced 3 times from there, and every time it bounced from this support over here, it goes up and get a little uptrend for its own. So we can see this time over here, this was the October 31st, so it was yesterday. We can see the price hit that range over there and start its little uptrend from that price zone. So we can see this is the place where last time the price goes a little above, but these spikes over here are like almost in the line of those prices and maybe need to go a little further up, but it rebounded, and that was the resistance for this price over here. But But please wait. If you think that that would be the resistance, okay. But I think personally that if this listing happened over here on the Kraken exchange, the big Kraken exchange with 883,000 followers on the Twitter, I think that this price would skyrocket, and it's official. But I don't know. We have 2,000 likes on this over here. It has 42,000, so I think they will list it. So this price over here, and possibly this all-time high price that it hit, and that zero that was close to lose. I think with this listing over here, if it happens and it has, they will do it tomorrow, but he doesn't know we will do it. I think this price is expected, and if you see this video, just watch out what is happening. For the end, thanks again for watching this video. Please consider to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment on what's your opinion on everything that I covered. Thank you again. We will see in the next video. Bye.